Here's another rumor. So Apple's AirTags are supposed to be coming out really any month now. By the end of 2021, they are definitely expected to come out. And according to rumors, they're going to be slightly larger than a US $half coin. And so right now, according to a rumor, Apple's AirTags are going to be 32 millimeters in diameter and 6 millimeters thick. And it also claims that they're going to be around $39, $39 to buy them. And this is a pretty big deal. So I heard about these. I've heard about them for a while, and I think they're really cool. Like, you could attach them. They're basically going to use Apple's Find My network, the same way that you use Find My iPhone, and you could put these little AirTags on other devices to keep track of them, and then they would pop up on your Find My iPhone on the Find My network, and that's essentially how it works. To give you a little comparison of how big it would actually be, so it says 32 millimeters in diameter, 6 millimeters thick. A quarter is 19 millimeters wide, and a $half coin is about 30.5 millimeters wide. So it's going to be wider than a quarter and a little bit wider than a $half. So it's going to be about a little less than twice as wide as a quarter. And then also, it's going to be about the same thickness as, let's say, a $half coin. Right now, though, with these, they have not been released yet. When they are, it's supposed to be in that April 2021 event. That's when they're supposed to come out. They do have a lot of competitors already. TileMate. TileMate is 35 millimeters. And it's a square and 6.2 millimeters thick. And the Tile Pro is going to be is 42 millimeters square and 6.5 millimeters thick. So there are competitors out there, but the main benefit of having like one of these, the AirTags, is that it would keep all of your stuff in the Apple ecosystem, which is what most people with Apple do. They like to have all Apple products to keep just everything in the ecosystem.